Okay, I believe the next step is to cut off the excess and then oil down the handle. Like butter. All right, so I'm going to, looks pretty cool. So I'll sand this down. So we won't be no sharp edges. All right, no sharp edges. Now I'll get some boiled linseed oil and coat that handle. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and all that other stuff. Pretty cool. I hope you like. This is kind of what I'm going to do. I'm in my shop and I'm going to start making stuff again. God bless. Love y'all. See you in the next